Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make CV for Denmark easy method. Start by choosing a clean template and use 1 page for most applicants, 2 pages only for extensive experience. Write a short professional summary that highlights key skills and Danish work culture fit. Prioritize recent, relevant roles with achievements and numbers. Use bullet points for clarity and scalability so recruiters can see impact quickly. Start with a concise professional summary and then list work experience with dates and brief achievement statements using numbers when possible. Emphasize skills employers in Denmark value, like teamwork, punctuality, and language ability. Include education and relevant certifications, plus language proficiency such as Danish A2 or English C1 if applicable. Keep formatting consistent and use bullet points for easy reading to help recruiters quickly assess fit. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your lunch intact during long commutes, which is perfect when you start a new job. They save time and reduce stress, especially on busy mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on tailoring your CV to each role by echoing keywords from the job description and highlighting measurable results. Avoid unnecessary personal details and keep the tone professional and direct. Use metrics and short accomplishments to show impact, such as improved sales by 15% or reduced errors by 1/4. Finish with a brief skills section and a note about availability, then proofread or get a native reviewer for final polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.